Hi BB gang, what's going on? Good morning, it's your girl Shy. I'm starting a video by myself today, guys, because SyVon is out of the house right now. I think he might be with his mom or something or like that. I don't know. He left pretty early. Yeah, I've been up since like 7:45ish, 7:30. I just been laying in the bed on my phone, of course. I gotta make up the bed and everything. I gotta fold the clothes that has been sitting in the basket for like a couple days now. I don't remember how many days, but I know it's been a couple of days. So I have to fold clothes. So I'm gonna go in the front room and I'm gonna actually fold these clothes up. So I have some in the good morning.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
I need something.
How you come in when I just started recording? But I was just telling him that, you know, you was gone. I've been up since 7:30ish, 7:45ish, and I was, oh Lord, it's dark. I was gonna probably fold these clothes up since they've been staying in the basket for like a whole week now. So I went to the store with my granny the other day and I got some new stuff. Not this, just this stuff here. I got some new stuff. SyVon needed this for his Jamaican, babe, what is that? A Jamaican smoothie or what is it? The drink you be making. No, I'm asking, what is it called? What is it? What is it? Like, what is the name? Do it have a name or like, what is it?
Oh, that even come up.
Huh?
Oh, that came up.
Cause it is.
You said what's that called?
No, what is that drink? Is it like a regular drink or like, do it have a name?
Mix up?
It's called Mix Up, Mix Up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, SyVon be making his drink. It's called Mix Up, Mix Up. And he needed like something like a grater.
Yeah, I grated to like nutmeg.
Yeah, he have like a whole nutmeg, like the, what is it, nutmeg root?
Nutmeg what?
Nutmeg root. It's like,
you talking about the subject ingredients I'm using?
yeah.
Oh, that's like for juice for like guys.
He got these little thingies right here, and it's a whole nutmeg. Okay, we bought some. I also bought some little paint. Dang, what are these called? I got these right here because we needed some of these for like when we want to do like baked fish or chicken or salmon or whatever. We put in the oven. But what are these called? Forgot. Pyrex dish. Pyrex dish. That's what it's called. And I bought this vegetable cleaner. It's like a vegetable and fruit cleaner, and it so whenever you clean your fruit and vegetables, you hang it on this thingy here, and the water drains out, like it, you know, drain out and stuff. And I bought a cookie sheet because I like to make like whenever I make my pizzas and stuff for like a quick little snack or some actual cookies, I like to put that in the oven. I like to use that. And I bought a frying pan because the one that we have, like, it sticks, like it makes our meat stick to the pan. So I bought a Tia Mori. I didn't even know she had pans and pots and stuff, but I bought a Tia Mori pan, frying pan. And then I bought this little container, this little storage container for our pancake mix, because I didn't want, y'all look at our refrigerator, it's empty, but I didn't want to like keep it in this box, in this pancake box down here. So I bought the little container to put it in. But yeah, so that's our new little kitchen addition stuff. I also bought some new air diffuser essential oils while I was out. And then I also bought this little planner journal thingy because I really just need like a journal, like a planner or something. And yep, that's the new stuff that I got at the store. Every time I go to any kind of department store or like retail store, I always have to buy home stuff. SyVon's filling up his mini fridge, buy his game station. Oh guys, we didn't show y'all the setup. In last time we videoed, this was not here. SyVon got him a whole new game chair. Look at that. Last vlog we did, we were actually looking for one. We went to Office Depot and we could not find one, but he actually found one online. Babe, what's the site that you found it on, or if you remember? Or is it that he got him a new gaming chair. Boom. I helped him set it up because he was a little low. SyVon, really? We're gonna lie like that?
We ain't gonna tell the truth.
We're gonna lie. Exactly. We're not gonna tell the truth. Exactly. Y'all see me. I'm Shy the Builder. But yeah, he got him a gaming chair. It's really cute and comfortable. I want to like hang some of the stuff up that we have, like put some of the stuff together, because we still have this mirror here in the corner, and it's still like, it's not in the spot that we want it in. We have these little things. So when we went to Hobby Lobby, we were gonna get those little white picture frames or whatever. This looks pretty. As what? Hobby Lobby?
No, that other one.
Michael's?
That one.
What's the other one, babe?
The other place where remember we was going to Lotus one time, we stopped there first.
Oh, at home?
Yeah.
I want to go there, but I want to like I feel like I need to go there with you, because if I pick up something and you don't like it, then we're gonna have to go back and return it or whatever. And we got time for all that. But I would go by myself too, just because everything looks so pretty in here. Okay guys, so we are getting dressed. Well, we just got dressed. We're about to leave the house, and I'm just gonna give y'all a little OOTD of my outfit, because I don't know if SyVon wants to do his outfit. But right now I'm wearing his hat, his LA hat. But where you get this hat from? Huh? Okay, so he got this hat from the mall, but because it was washed, it kind of like, it don't have a good shape anymore. But I don't think I'm wearing this hat. But yes, so I have on necklace with the initial S. I think I got this necklace from Forever 21 when they was having a sale. I think it was buy one get one 50% off or something like that. So I got this necklace. I got my wedding ring here, and then I got this ring. It kind of looks like a Cartier ring, if y'all can see it. Kind of looks a Cartier ring, but I got it from Amazon. Did I get this from? No, I got it from Shein. And then I got the matching bracelet from Shein as well. It came in a set. I think it was $7. I have my spiritual bracelets. I have this black two-piece. It's a workout set from Shein. I love their two pieces. And I'm wearing my, babe, what these shoes called? I'm wearing these shoes that SyVon got me for anniversary. It was our, I think, 2-year, 3-year anniversary. He don't remember. But yeah, I'm wearing those shoes today because I never get to wear these that much. I think I only wore them once or twice. And then I'm wearing my little anklets. Let me show y'all my little anklets. I'm wearing my little anklets. I got these from Shein as well. All right, babe, your turn. Come on, let's go.
What?
OOTD.
I'm not, what the hell is OOTD?
Outfit of the day. Come on, get with the trends, baby. All right.
I'm wearing black, that.
Boy, come on.
And that. Something simple, real simple.
Something simple. Yeah. Okay, we kind of matching a little bit today. So he wearing a black H&M shirt, and he wearing his what you got? These Fashion Nova? Yeah. Fashion Nova. What's these called? Capris or shorts? Fashion Nova short jeans, and he got on his Puma.
I ain't really want to y'all. I ain't got flexible like you. You gotta bring the camera down here or something.
Okay. All right. He's wearing Puma shoes. They got what, the Jamaican colors, right?
See, Black History Month. Black
History Month. And he got his Adidas hat on that he got from the mall, right?
There. I got better hats, but we're not really doing nothing major. Yeah.
And then he got his watch. Where you get this watch from, baby?
I've been had this watch, it's never wear it.
Okay, well, he got this watch that he ain't never wore. And yep.
That's it. That's simple.
Yeah, very simple. We kind of matching vibes today. So we just gonna run a couple, like, it's not, I wouldn't say errands, because we just mainly trying to get out the house. And for two, we need some little things to start putting all this stuff together in the house. So yep, that's what we're doing right now. I'll catch y'all when we get in the car or when we get to wherever we're going. So yeah.
Alright, BB gang. We just pulled up to I was gonna say we just pulled up to the BB store. BB store. We just pulled up to At Homes. This is our. We actually made 2 stops that we didn't record.
We made 2 stops?
Oh yeah, we made 2 stops. Yeah. Your brain not function? You need to upgrade?
You know I'm getting old, baby. I'm getting old.
I bring it up like a laptop?
Yeah, I'm getting old, boo.
But yeah, we stopped at, where we stopped at? Ashley Furniture, like a quick little stop. We didn't see anything there, so it didn't make sense to record. We stopped at
Hobby Lobby.
Where?
We stopped at Hobby Lobby to do a return. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So those took like a little 5 minutes, and then we just did that. We ain't missed since recording it. So yeah, we finna pull up to. I'm going to our homes. I can see right there, our homes. And then we're finna see what's popping in there. So see if we can get you guys some quick content for the day. And
okay, guys. We're lucky. Okay, so we are in at home right now. We're probably not gonna be able to, like, you know, voice record. Well, we're probably not gonna be able to record long as far as like speaking because of the music and copyright issues. But right now we are in the pillow section. And oh babe, what do you think about these pillows? Okay. Hit me who got doggone hard. Okay. Dang, babe, you almost knocked my heart out my chest. Okay, so I told SyVon that I want to like decorate for fall. Since that's the first season that's coming up. So guys, what do y'all think about this pillow? These pillows right here. Babe, these are cute, right?
yeah, they're cute.
Feel it. What do it feel like? Soft?
I can just.
That's the point. So like we would put it.
That's the point. Where we gonna sleep? Where we gonna put it?
On the couch. So we put it on the couch, right? Hold this. I tilted it up a little bit. So we put it on the couch.
What are you tilting it up for?
Okay, it won't do that, but
What are you trying to accomplish?
you know how, oh babe, look at the blue ones. We could have got blue pillows to put on the couch.
If they feel like that, then no.
You don't like this?
Feel like feel.
What do you feel like? It feels soft.
Why you?
It feels soft. You don't like how soft it feels, or like what?
Yeah, like I feel like I can scorch this joint, bro. Like, guys, look at this sheet. Look at what the hell.
Yeah, it feels so comfortable though.
I ain't finna be a cameraman.
I like those, but okay.
Show y'all a little bit of what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so now we're in the bar stools. Bar stool, right?
Bar stool.
Looking at some bar stools.
Yeah, I think it's... Yeah, I like this one. It feels so comfortable.
It was this one?
Yeah. Here, sit on it. I like that color, but if they had blue, because our colors are, or even like a gray color, so it could be neutral. But sit down on the chair. Sit down. You was not 300 pounds. This food here. Boom.
It's cool, but
it's cool. If they had that in a different color, like probably like a gray
I want one that can spin though.
or black.
Where's the spinning joint?
I don't think they're over it. Well, I think it's some down there. But I don't like how those look, honestly.
They don't like how you look either.
I don't care.
They don't care that you care?
Sir,
Huh?
you're harassing me.
Oh, let's get one of these. These are taller. Oh, these are taller.
Boy, y'all look, he's a child.
You get one of this big.
Get one of those for the front room?
For the balcony. What's it called?
I don't know.
The little table thing.
The bar area? No. No,
Man,
sir.
this feel good, bro.
No, it doesn't. It'll.
Feel it, go feel it. Feel it.
Babe.
Babe, what?
I would give this for like the living room area.
How you feel? Lean back. Yeah, see? Give me my credit. How you feel?
Oh.
Get up out of my chair. Here.
You know what? I'm gonna knock you out, boy. Oh shoot. Y'all see how he play? But no, that's nice. It's comfortable too. But yeah. Okay guys, so right now we are in the pillow section. As you can see, we are by the navy blue pillows because our accent color is navy blue, and it's navy blue, gray, silver, right babe? Navy blue, gray, and silver is our colors. Bennett,
What are you calling yourself?
that's our colors, right?
What?
Navy blue, gray, and silver.
If you know what you're asking.
I'm just making sure I didn't skip one. Or in white, right? Or no?
I think so.
Okay, so yeah, that's our colors, guys. So we are in the navy blue section for pillows because the pillows that came with the couch is not this color blue. Like this color blue is more of a black blue, like it's really darker. And our curtain is like this color here. I like this pillow, like the material and everything, because it matches our couch. It matches the material of our couch and everything. But these pillows are too small. So we're gonna, we saw a bigger one about the same size. So it's like the same size as this pillow. It's about no. Guys, she couldn't find any more of the big ones, so this is the one that like I seen and I like. It's big, it's huge, I like it, but it's only this one. It's only this one. So we're gonna instead get the, but I already know you gotta do what you look. Okay, so instead we're gonna get the two small ones, and if it doesn't look right, we're just gonna bring it back because yeah, we're just gonna get those for now. We're gonna keep looking around because they have some other decor in here for the house. We've only made it to the patio stuff and the pillows, so we're gonna keep looking around. All right guys, so right now we are, okay, so update, this is what we have so far going on. We have like kitchen mats here, we have pillows, and we have a shoe rack because we do need a shoe rack for the front door. And right now we are in the, what's this, wall decor? Ooh. What? Oh, look at him. $60.
60 buckler.
That's more than what it is on Amazon.
I don't like that one though. I don't like the white thing around it though.
Oh. Yeah. So this is what.
Looking for a lion, bro. Yeah, if y'all know I like lions, bro. Just forgot that. It's the same thing, right? I know I like lions, bro. Would I go in there and touch them? No.
Bro, how you gonna be scared of them but you love them? Say this is.
You so you really go for, so what's your favorite animal?
Me.
Not that animal.
Yeah, so this is what we're looking at now. Elephant. Would you want that one, baby? It's $20.
That's like a good no.
Oh, look at these, y'all. These are nice. When I get my beauty room,
see,
oh yeah.
If the lion was in this picture frame,
oh yeah,
all of it, I'll get it. I don't even so close to it, bro. I want to do something, bro.
But hey, nobody worried about you, bro. She believed she could, so she did. Oh yes. I don't need an inspirational quote. I need coffee. That's the one. Alright guys, so we just, oh, you scared him. Ah. Or did he oh, then he came off that hump, never mind. You good. So we're just leaving Walmart right now. We didn't record in there because we didn't really go in there to stay in there or have anything worth recording in Walmart. We left out of Home Goods. We did, no, at home. We did get a couple of items. When we get to the house, I'll show it or whatever. But we did get a couple of items from at home. We got just like maybe 3 things that we need for the place from Walmart. And right now we're trying to figure out what we want to eat because it's 3 o'clock and we haven't eaten all day. Like, we haven't eaten anything all day, so now we're just trying to figure out what we're gonna go eat, and then we're probably gonna be done for the rest of the day. We might put up some of the stuff that we just got if we're not too tired. I'll catch y'all when we get back to the house, or if we're doing something interesting, then I'll turn the camera back on. But right now we're just driving. We have no destination as of now. We're just driving, so yeah. Okay guys, so it's been what, an hour since I last came on here, and we've decided what we're gonna eat. So we're pulling up to Cane's right now. We're gonna eat Cane's. This is just like a little snack or whatever.
Snack for you. For me.
For me, it's gonna be.
For you. This might be dinner for you.
This might be dinner for me, y'all.
You already know what I'm getting. I'm getting the 6 chicken fingers.
What am I gonna get?
Yeah.
3 chicken finger sandwich one. I might get the 6 too. Damn, $15. 15.
Go ahead and get that 4.
They got a 4?
Yeah.
Okay, well I'll get the 4.
The box combo.
Okay, well yeah, I can see that one up there. So yeah, we're gonna get Cane's. And y'all, we've literally gone all day without eating anything.
Where you at?
Up here. You gotta pull up some more.
Oh.
So yeah, we finna get some Cane's. I want sweet tea.
Hey, I want chicken in it.
Hi, can I get the box combo?
And what's the drink for that?
Sweet tea.
Anything else?
Then can I get the 6 chicken fingers?
Alright. And what's the drink for that one?
Sprite.
Would that be all?
And then can I get an extra bread?
Just 1?
2.
2? Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, so it's gonna be $28.53 for the first window. Thank you.
These are 20 something.
$28.53. $28.53. $30 for just our food. $30, mate? It's been a long day, y'all. Like,
any ketchup?
Yes.
Ketchup, please. What cup is that?
This one here, so long.
Well, I got a small cup.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Why they give me a small cup? Because I got the kid meal? Technically. Okay, I guess. Stop. Listen here, bro. You driving this car too fast. You almost made me spill my
I didn't tell you to hold all that in your hand.
You almost made me spill my yak.
I didn't tell you to hold that all in your hand.
You heard. Alright guys, we have made it back to the house. We finna eat some food because we got a lot of stuff. Well, kinda a lot of stuff, but it's, you know what I'm saying, it's still a lot. And then I had my packages that came in today. I have one that's coming in tomorrow because it didn't get shipped out with the rest of them. But yep, that's what we got going on right now. When we eat, I guess I'll show it y'all what we got, whatever. I'll open it with my nail. This is something that I bought me because I actually want to start creating like Instagram reels and TikTok videos for like content purposes and stuff. So I bought this. Oh, these are my little masks, so I bought these for under eye masks. They come with 30 in a pack, so I bought this. And then I got this little tripod thingy off of Amazon. So it's for a phone. You can use for a phone, a camera, and I think it's a GoPro you can use it for as well, but we don't even have a GoPro. I need it for the phone mostly, and then, you know, well, for the phone and the camera. So it comes with this little baggie. Yeah, I got us a tripod. We've been actually talking about that we need a tripod for like the camera and stuff because we want to take more pictures and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. Looks like this. Y'all, can y'all see how tall that is? It's like almost as tall as me. Boom. So yeah, you can put the camera on this top part right here, and then we can take our own like pictures. And then it should come with like a phone connection part. So it comes with Come on, Shy. Get it open. It comes with the part you can connect your phone to it. And then it also comes with like a little shutter, camera shutter thingy. So that way you can take your own pictures and stuff. We went to At Home and let's see. In this bag, we bought 2 of these pillows. These pillows were $8.99 each. We bought 2 of these for the couch. But I wanted the bigger size just so it'll, you know, match the gray pillow, but whatever. We got some little kitchen mats. It's dark gray and white for the kitchen area because we need some mats. I don't like walking on the bare floors, and we just need some kitchen mats. So I'll put that in the kitchen. And then we got like this little incense thingy. This is sandalwood and vanilla. I got it because it reminded me of one of my Amy's. It smells really good. We got this little bowl vase looking thingy. It's so cute. I was thinking of putting this in like the entryway, or whenever we get our TV stand, I might put it there as well. But for now, it'll probably go in the entryway. I got me a cup. It has an S on it for my little coffee in the morning. So I finally got me a cup or whatever. This one was $10. $10. And then I got some lime dry linen spray for the house or whatever. It smells like clean. It smells really clean. Yep, it smells clean. So that's why I got this. We also got like some little hanging portraits or like some, you know, hanging decor. So this one says, God bless our home and all who enters. So that's what we got here. I was thinking maybe we can put it like above the door, the back door right here. We can put that there, and that'll be cute, and people will see it when they come in. And then we just got this picture frame right here. I wanted to put this in like that little doorway area, or, you know, on the bar. We have a bar area, so probably put it there. So that's everything we got from At Home. We got this like this curtain rod here. We bought 2 curtain rods. We needed one for the room and one for the living room, so we bought these. So we needed 2 for the window right here, and then the one in our room. So we got 2 of those. We went to Walmart, and oh yeah, we got the curtain rod. We got some Gorilla Glue because we have to glue something down in the kitchen. And then we also got some command strips to hang up the portraits and everything. And then I just got me some little pens. So, cause I have a planner, I'm starting back using planners and just, you know, planning my day and week and stuff like that. So I got pens. And yeah, that's our little shopping day, you know, getting stuff for our place and stuff, making it look more of like a home and not like we just moved in like literally yesterday. I hope you all enjoyed this little day in the life of the Bennetts, and let us know what y'all would like to see from us in the comment section below. Like, you know, let us know what y'all want us to do, like besides reactions, because we get copyrighted on those a lot. Let us know what other things y'all like to do, like what other things y'all would like for us to do and to see from us. Babe, do you have anything to say?
Thanks for the love and support.
Thanks for the love and support, guys. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share our video. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when we post any and all our videos. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace.